Hello. This is Miss V. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Oh, what a lovely thing I just witnessed with my eyes. We see Dumi Mkokstad and the wife Ziphozenkosi enjoying their ceremony on Instagram. UMabo. What is UMabo, guys? UMabo, it's a traditional ceremony that happens after the white wedding, whereby as the bride you hand over the gift to the husband family, you exchange gift. It's a beautiful thing. I saw them and I'm like, wow. Have you ever watched something and you just keep smiling? I believe we all love this couple and we're so happy for them. So go ahead and watch. Thank you.
Umago